Hi all, today we are going to learn one of the most popular agile software development methodologies called extreme programming. Many software projects fail because requirements change frequently, developers misunderstand customer needs, testing is done only at the end, bugs become difficult to fix. Extreme programming was developed to solve these problems. When a customer changes requirements at last moment, what problems occurs? Delay, more bugs, extra cost, reworks. In extreme programming, it accepts the changes at any stage and helps developers deliver high quality software quickly. What is extreme programming? Extreme programming is an agile software development framework. It mainly focuses on high quality software, customer satisfaction, frequent feedback, short development cycles, and continuous improvement. In high quality software, instead of writing the whole application at once, developers write small code, test it, improve it, and repeat. It results less bugs. Continuous feedback. Instead of waiting until the end, the customer continuously checks the software. Close collaboration. Developers and customers work together every day. Customer is available for discussion. Therefore, wrong assumptions are reduced. Short development cycles. Instead of delivering after 1 year, extreme programming delivers every 1 to 2 weeks. It benefits fast delivery, early testing, early customer feedback. In this slide, we will detail discuss about what is extreme programming, what has happened in the extreme programming. Okay, first, in this diagram shows workflow from collecting requirements to deliver the software at every small releases. It is an iterative process where customer feedback is continuously used to improve the product. Step 1. First, requirements. Requirements is also called as user stories. This process begins with the customer. Instead of writing the pages of requirement, the customer writes the stories. A story is a short description of a feature from user perspective. For example, as a customer, I want to log in using my email. As admin, I want to generate reports like this. What the customer wants, not how to develop it. Step 2. Release. Release planning. After collecting the user stories, the development team conducts release planning. In this stage, the team discusses the stories and estimate the effort required, decide which story will be included next release, sets the release schedule, and also suppose it having 6 stories, we have to assign the priority, which one is doing first, which one is doing second. Based on this priority, stories are selected for first release. Step 3. Estimates. Before development starts, developer estimates time required, cost, complexity, and resources. For example, we have 3 features: login, registration, and payment. Its estimated times is login 2 days, registration 2 days, payment 4 days. This estimate helps in planning for iteration. Spike. Sometimes developer does not know how to implement a feature. Instead of guessing, XP performs a spike. A spike is a short research activity to reduce technical uncertainty. Suppose developer need to integrate Google Pay API. They are unfamiliar with it. Instead of direct coding, they spend one day experimenting and learning. This research is called spike. The main purpose is it reduces risk, understand new technology, improve estimation accuracy. Next one is test scenario. Before coding begins, testers prepare test scenarios. A test scenario defines what needs to be tested. For example, feature login. Test scenarios are login with valid username and password, login with invalid password, empty username, empty password, password length validation. Step 6. Iteration. An iteration is a short development cycle, usually lasting 1 to 2 weeks. During each iteration, developers write code, perform pair programming, use test-driven development, refactoring a code, continuous integration changes. The main goal is to produce a working piece of software at the end of every iteration. Next one is acceptance test. After completed the code, the software undergoes acceptance testing. This testing is performed to verify that the software satisfies customer requirements. Customer approval. The customer now reviews the completed features. If satisfied, the customer approves the release. Otherwise, the team modifies the software in the next iteration. Customer feedback is one of the most important aspects of XP. Last but not least, small release. Once approved, the software release is released immediately. Instead of waiting several months, it delivers small releases frequently. Introduction to extreme programming. These are the 10 core practices we used. First one is continuous integration. Continuous integration means developers merge their code into a shared repository several times a day. Each integration is automatically built and tested. For example, 3 developers works on an online shopping app. Developer A login module, developer B payment module, developer C cart module. At the end of every day, all code is merged. Automatic tools can run, build the project, execute unit test, report error. If a problem is found, it is fixed immediately. Next one is test-driven development. Developers write test cases before writing the actual code. First, you have to write test, run the test. If it fails, write code, run the test, passes, refactoring a code. These are the procedure in TDD. Pair programming. 2 developers work together on one computer. It has 2 roles, driver and navigator. Driver types the code, navigator reviews every line, suggests improvements, finds mistakes. After some time, they switch roles. Small releases. Instead of waiting several months, XP releases software frequently in small increments. Customer collaboration. Customers actively participate throughout the development. They explain requirements, clarify doubts, review completed feature, suggest changes. For example, customer says, I need QR payment also. Developers include it in next iteration. Sustainable pace. Developers should work at comfortable and consistent pace. XP discourages continuous overtime. Instead of working 12 to 14 hours a daily, the team works 8 hours consistency. Healthy developers produce better software. Collective code ownership. Every developer can modify any part of the code. No single person owns a module. Refactoring. Refactoring means improving the internal structure of code without changing its functionality. The program behaves the same, but the code is cleaner and easier to maintain. On-site customer. XP recommends that a customer or customer representative be available with the development team throughout the project. Planning game. Planning game is a collaborative activity where customers and developers decide what features should be developed, which features have the highest priority, how much time will take each feature. XP principles, that is extreme programming principles. Here are some of the principles. First one is baby step. Never make huge changes. Instead, make small improvements. Example, instead of changing the entire banking system, change only the login module. Flow. Work continuously. Finish one task before starting another. Example, wrong coding login, coding payment, coding reports. Nothing finished. Correct one. Finish login, test, deploy, start deployment. This is the flow. Reflection. Regularly review work. What went well? What problem occur? How can we improve? After sprint review, team releases. Testing took too much time. Next sprint, automation testing is introduced. Improvement. Always improve code, process, communication, testing. Small improvements every sprint produce better software. Mutual benefits. Every decision should help customer, developer, and company. Failure. Mistakes are acceptable. Learn from failures. Developer introduce a bug. Instead of blaming, team identify the cause, fixes it, and improve the process. Redundancy. Use backup solutions when needed. Testing. Manual testing, automation testing. Both increases the confidence. Core practices. It has number of core practices. These are already seen before previous topics. Pair programming, two developers work together, one writes a code, one reviews a code, change the roles often. Next, test-driven development, write test, write code, run test, improvement, continuous integration. Developers combine code frequently. Refactoring, improve the internal code without changing functionality. Small releases, release software frequently, customer gets value quickly. Okay, this like that. Life cycle. Life cycle of extreme programming. Planning. Customer provide user stories. Testing team estimates the effort. Features are prioritized. Design. Keep the design simple. Don't build unnecessary features. Coding. Developers write code using pair programming, test-driven development, and continuous integration. Testing. Unit testing. Test individual functions. Acceptance testing. Customer verify that requirements are satisfied. Listening. Customer gives feedback. Developers improve the product. Then the cycle repeats. Values of extreme programming. It has 5 values. Communication. First one is communication. Okay. Developer, customer, tester can communicate openly to achieve a goal. For example, daily scrum waiting. Simplicity. Keep the software simple. Avoid unnecessary features. Feedback. Feedback comes from customer, testing, team. Each early feedback prevents major problems. Courage. Developers should accept changes, refactor code, report issues honestly. Respect. Everyone's ideas matter. Developer, tester, customer, manager work as one team. Advantages. Produce high quality software, encourages continuous customer involvement, adapts easily to change requirements. It is a framework focuses on delivering high quality software through continuous feedback, simple design, frequent testing, teamwork, and short development cycles. Thank you.